If you want to enable or disable circle to search on your OnePlus 13 5G, so first of all, open up your settings. After that, scroll down to your system and update section. So here we gotta find our system navigation. There it is. In our system navigation, make sure to enable your circle to search option. If it's not enabled, tap on the switch and it will be. So how do you use it? If you have your buttons, you have to tap on your home screen button for quite a while, right? And that will activate our circle to search mode. So now we have to circle, tap, or highlight anything on your screen to search it. For example, this. Right, so there it is. If you're using your, all right, to close it, tap on this cross. If you're using gestures, we have to hold the guide bar at the bottom, and our circle to search will be activated as well. If you want to deactivate this option, simply tap on the switch and it will be deactivated. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.